Hey everyone, and welcome back to BarCode. In this video, we're gonna write our very first Java program. I assume you already have installed the GDK and the code editor. If not, you can check out my previous video and you can also find the download links in the description of it. I'm gonna be using IntelliJ, but you can follow along with any other code editor you'd like. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. To get started, we're gonna open up IntelliJ. Then select new project, give it a name. I'm gonna call mine YouTube. In the location, you can select where you want to save your project to on your computer. I'm gonna leave mine on the desktop. And here, I don't want IntelliJ to create comments or tips, and I also don't want IntelliJ to write code for me. That we're gonna go and do together. Then click Create. On the left side, right click on the source folder, select New Java class, and give it a name. I'm gonna name mine main. For the moment, we're only gonna have one class, but in the future, when you have more than one, when you have many classes, it's good to give them names that represent what they do so you don't get confused. What you need to do now, create a main method. This is where your program always starts. And the main method has to be public, static, and void. What this means, we're gonna cover when we talk about classes and objects. For the moment, just accept this is the way it has to be. And in parentheses, you type string, square brackets, args for arguments. And the code always comes within curly braces. And here we want to print out on the console hello world. And we do that by typing system.out.print. Now this might look also confusing. Imagine system as a collection of things. You tell Java, get from this collection this thing out. And the print is a method that tells out what to do. I hope I didn't make it more confusing than it was before. Then in parentheses and quotation marks, you type hello world. And at the end of each command, we have to add the semicolon. And now if we run this, we get hello world on the console. If we want to print out something else, let's print out this time hi again. If we run this, they're gonna end up after each other. If we want this to start in a new line, instead of a print, we can use a println or print line. That's gonna make Java start the next print in the next line. Well, basically what it does, it adds a return carriage at the end, like when you would press enter. And if we run this now, they ended up in different lines. If you want to add notes to your code, either for yourself or for other people to know what you wanted to do there, you can do that by using comments. There are two kinds of comments. One is an one-line comment. You type //, then you can type whatever you like. And it's going to stay there, but the compiler going to ignore it. Like it wouldn't be there, it's just for you. Or if the comment's going to go over more lines, you can type /**. You can keep on typing, and the closing tag, IntelliJ already completed it for me, it's */. So if you want to add comments, these are your two options. I hope that didn't scare you all that much. I know it looks confusing for the moment, why a method has to have so many keywords attached to it, what they do, why they have to be there, also why a simple print statement has to look so complex. But I promise in the future, when we cover methods, classes, and objects, everything gonna be crystal clear. So for now, just accept the way it is. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. And if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe. And if something wasn't clear or you think I should have explained it differently, let me know in the comments. Class dismissed.